Welcome to this week's AI Wrap-Up. Let's have a closer look at the latest from the world of artificial intelligence. This week, Sam Altman has had a bit to say on Twitter, starting off with the teasing post on what present they should give ChatGPT for its second birthday. Prior to that, he tweets, "I love being home in the Midwest. I'm excited for the winter constellations to rise soon," most likely referring to the Orion model that starts rising from November in the sky. Then the controversial post from The Verge this week, where Sam tweets back, "Fake news." And then a final one saying, "Plenty of great stuff coming your way." Personally, I find this type of hype very interesting to see what is coming our way soon. Let's continue to watch this space this week. With so much AI news coming out this week, let's do a rapid fire on it. Anthropic introduces two new upgraded models, Claude 3.5 Sonnet and Claude 3.5 Haiku. But the most interesting release was the public beta computer use for developers through an API to use your computer by looking at your screen, moving the cursor, clicking buttons, and typing text. Plenty of videos on YouTube this week about this one. Canva announces Droptober with all their new exciting features such as Dreamlab, updates to Magic Write, ability to create your own AI video, and music generation. It was certainly worth a look if you love Canva. 11 Labs released conversational AI in beta, enabling users to create their own custom agents with voice responses. You can try an AI agent from a math tutor to a travel guide, or create your own speaking AI agent. They also added the ability to create your own custom AI voice by simply adding a new voice to your library. Let's have a look at their demo of voice design.
Introducing Voice Design.
Aha, Captain. Set sail for adventure.
Now you can create any voice simply by typing a text description.
Aye, lad, there's magic in these old bones yet.
Or how about the voice of an angry ogre?
Get out of my way if you know what's good for you.
Or maybe you want a cute little sassy mouse.
Watch out, big world. I'm small, but I'm mighty.
Whether it's for videos, games, or any other project, Voice Design can help turn your ideas into reality.
Now over to Runway, where they introduced Act 1, a new way to generate expressive character performances inside Gen 3 Alpha.
What? You're gonna fire me because there's hot milk everywhere on the floor of the coffee shop? I mean, it's one latte. It's not that big of a deal.
Everything's fine. Everything's totally great. This is gonna be the best day ever.
Smashed my phone the other night.
And you know how much I love that phone.
Okay, all right. Just breathe. Okay, maybe you don't breathe that hard.
Let's have a look at the robot releases. A Chinese company, Engine AI, just unveiled their humanoid robot with natural, human-like walking. Over at Reddit this week, a user introduced Torso, a bimanual android actuated with artificial muscles, which was very interesting. One of the biggest things that we saw this week coming out of WorldCoin was World, with its new designed orb. This eye-scanning technology where people would someday use their biometric information to verify their humanity. Let's see what Sam had to say after the launch.
What qualities do you think are important for World, or really for any infrastructure that's designed to help humans benefit from AI?
I think we're still figuring that out as we go, but the ability to assert personhood in a privacy-preserving way seems important. We're seeing many reasons today why you might want that. And then the ability to just be a very large-scale, widely distributed, inclusive infrastructure. I think we've seen a lot of examples throughout history of why more of that is better.
Then we get this post from Sam only 2 days ago. It has just been a crazy week in AI. Also this week, the White House issued a national security memorandum, declaring that AI is likely to affect almost all domains with national security significance. It is certainly a powerful read. Now, something I haven't used before is the website called Artificial Analysis Arena Leaderboard. This is where you can test all the AI tools in an arena format and a dedicated leaderboard. It ranges from text to video, text to image, and so much more. Worth a look for sure. A concerning post I saw today was using the Flux 1.1 model to generate deep fake security camera footage, which was a bit scary. I feel like platforms like TikTok and Reels are being filled with these deep fake videos and images. While they seem harmless now, the tech will only get better. Now, whilst there was so much news this week, and I like to keep my videos in a short consumption, but just look around you. There is so much news out there, it is becoming hard to keep up. See you on the next one.